Unlock your vibrant and trendy student home at 152 West 15th Street in New York. The perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and style. Choose from gorgeous studios, non-ensuite and one-bedroom apartments with private, spacious rooms. Each apartment is equipped with the necessary kitchenware and furniture for your convenience. Stay hassle-free with monthly housekeeping available and free high-speed Wi-Fi for streaming sessions. Your safety is a priority here, with 24-hour CCTV and mobile self-check-in available for your security. Don't worry about being late to class. Popular colleges like Fashion Institute of Technology and New York University are less than a mile away. Also, say hello to endless NYC expeditions to Central Park, the Statue of Liberty, and the Empire State Building with 14th Street and 6th Avenue subway stations located right around the corner. So step into the fabulous New York student life by booking your spot at 152 West 15th Street in New York with amberstudent.com now.